going to be making the all-time favorite Berkeley rosemary cracker from our homes to yours. We have here some whole spelt and light spelt flour. We have olive oil and water, some black sesame seed and white, some sea salt, and we have in here some rosemary that has been chopped. Elisha B is in the kitchen because you know my food is finger licking. Let's get cooking. Let's get cooking. Cooking. Cut these crackers at a 1/4 inch. tray. I have a few more left of the cracker dough, but I'm going to put these to bake with the help of my mom for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to turn them around the 10-minute mark so that it gets evenly crisp. And we'll see you then. Wow, so we've got our all-time favorite Berkeley chef's cracker, and it's me back again in the kitchen. So I'm going to try some of these crackers with my mom's homemade cheese. This thing is amazing. Crunchy and crisp. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode. Until then, taste with the Berkeley chefs. Bye bye.